I'm supposed to be vlogging this, but you know, I didn't do the first crank. We're trading this jet ski that I couldn't get working. We are selling my stand-up jet ski, my 1989 Kawasaki 440 for a dual jet ski trailer for the two skis back there. This thing's pretty mint, has a bunch of aftermarket parts. I have it all apart because I was rebuilding it. Did all gaskets and everything. Just didn't get the spark figured out. So it's unfortunate. It's a good ski, but couldn't get her running. All right, we're gonna crank it again and see if it has spark. Nothing. All right, so I put some power steering fluid in the cylinder heads to loosen them up a little bit, and it'll probably crank a little easier. I'm gonna put the exhaust back on, clean her up a little bit for this guy. And I'm gonna have to put the jet drive back on because that's just hanging there. So yeah, let's hopefully get a new trailer.
Just to cook up at the lab, then I missed you. Just to rip and dip and dab used to make me kinda sad. Now I just sit back and laugh, thinking everything we had, back to living in the trap.
Alright, so this is a crank with the fluid in it. Probably gonna spray in my face. Jet drive, man. Alright, load it up. I'm gonna go pick up the dual trailer. It's been real. Stand up.
With Bryan doing, making deals.
You're on the vlog. Say what's up.
Hit me up later.
Alright.
Give yourself a shout out for the vlog.
What's up, guys?
To flip it in time.
Alright. Got the trailer. The jet ski is gone. Alright, this is the trailer.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Salem County, in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County, in southern New Jersey, southeastern Delaware County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Beckett, or 7 miles east of.
Never used to happen, Zach.
Miles per hour.
This is one I've never even
Tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh, look at this. Flooding again. Woo! I'll go through there. Yo, he's going full set. Oh, that's not it, Zach. We're going.
Oh, Jesus!
Let's go through here.
Oh my God!
My God! Yeah, deep. This thing. Like 6 inches on my
Jesus!
Let's go.
It's deep. It's pretty deep. Oh God! Oh my God!
Yo, it's gonna be so flooded up here. Oh, look at this rookie. Come on, rookie.
Rookie. He's in the grass now.
Oh my God. Look at these rookies.
Oh my God!
That's how you do it, boys.
What if he's gonna blast it?
Nah, he won't blast shit. Oh, he is? Nah.
Yeah. Fast.
Yo, look at this. Oh my god.